Hey Stephanie, so this is how you do the evictions for Flagler County. So you go to date closed, and we're going to start in January. So let's go January 1st to January 31st. You're going to go to court types, and then choose county civil and circuit civil. Then you're going to go to cause of action / case types, and go to eviction, which there are 3 of them for some reason. So just click all 3. Then we click the I'm not a robot, search, and then you're going to want to click where it says party type, because there'll be duplicates since it'll be the plaintiff and a defendant, so there's no need to go through all of them. We only need to do the plaintiffs, so let's click on party type, and then click it until it's sorting by the plaintiff, and then everything else is the same as normal, so we're only doing the individuals, not the LLCs. Click on their names, and then click on the case number, and then the court docket is down here. And for this one, actually, it's not showing the complaint. Let's see if it's on a different one. Actually, you can just click directly on the case number. You don't have to click on the name first. This one's not here either. Let's try a different month. Let's try December 1st to December 31st. I had done it before and it seemed like most of the complaints were available, but maybe if it's too recent, they aren't. So let's try December. Party type, plaintiff. Click on the case number. There we go. There's the one complaint. Let's see if some of the other ones have it as well. It's Kelly Zhang. Here's another complaint. And let's check one more. Here's another one. So I guess January is just too recent, but hopefully all the other months previous to January have them. And if not, you can just let me know. I don't think there's going to be too many per county for this, so we might just do a lot at once. So for these, looks like maybe like 25, and that's not including the company. So, but that's how you do Flagler.